Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about Discord audio settings that will make your mic sound better and have overall nicer quality. So, we're in the Discord app and we're just going to go into user settings and go into voice and video. Once we're here, we're just going to just make sure we're using the right output and the right input device. In my case, you don't have a microphone plugged in right now. So we're just gonna skip past the mic test part. That is basically just checking if you can actually hear yourself, and it will actually play it back for you so you can see how you sound. Then we have input mode. You can choose voice activity, push to talk. The best way I think is voice activity, unless you have like background noise that you are aware of and you can't do anything about, then you can maybe use push to talk. And then we come to input sensitivity. Usually the best way is to leave this like automatic, but if you think you can do a better job, you can basically, so if I were to talk right now, the bar would go like to up there, so I would just set it to like a centimeter, let's say, from where the gain was. If I set it lower, it will pick up more of the background noise, but this way I will like limit it so it's only picking up my voice. Then we have echo cancellation, which is useful if you're, let's say, playing on speakers and you have like an echo. But in most cases, if you're just using headphones, this is actually going to worsen your audio quality, so I recommend having it off. Then noise suppression. If you have a lot of noise in your background, you can probably bump it up to crisp, but the standard one is as good as this crisp one, so it's mainly like personal preference, or you can just rock with none if you think you have a good mic. Then we have advanced voice activity. It will help with the input sensitivity, but this is another good one that we have to consider. It's just automatic gain control. So let's say you're talking with someone and they are complaining that they can't hear you. They have you on 200%, and it doesn't really help. So what you're gonna do is turn on automatic gain control, and that will automatically like level out the volume amount of your microphone, so you won't be too quiet and you won't be too loud, and it will do it automatically. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Hope you found this video useful. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.